Have you ever used a grid system for drawing before? I created this grid app to make more accurate drawings. We just put in the dimensions of the canvas, which is 20 inches tall, 16 inches wide. Now we're doing 2-inch squares on our canvas using charcoal and a T-square to put that on there. Just make sure they're nice and even. We'll rotate the canvas and start drawing. So right now, just draw what you see. It's a lot easier drawing in smaller pieces or chunks than trying to figure out the whole thing, and this way you can figure out all the dimensions and everything. Makes it much easier. I'm using vine charcoal to draw this lighthouse. It's a lot easier to work with. You could easily erase it. If it ends up in a paint, it actually blends right in. After I'm done drawing, I like to use a fixative. This actually seals in the charcoal drawing so you don't have to worry about it blending in or smudging. It stays as pristine as when you drew it on there to begin with. When it comes to drawing, practice makes perfect. The more you draw, the better you're going to get. This grid app just helps for accuracy. If you enjoy lighthouses as much as I do, let me know in the comments below. Have you ever drawn a lighthouse before? I think there's 2 things to watch out for when drawing lighthouses. First of all, you want to make sure it's symmetrical on both sides. And second, you want to make sure that where you're standing when you look up, the lines are curved in the right direction, and when you look down, they're curved in the opposite direction. This will definitely help with your perspective. I've put links to everything in the description below. If you buy through them, I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. For perspective, this grid system I think is an awesome tool to have. Helps you know which way the lines are going. If you're not good with perspective, sometimes trying to eye curved lines and stuff are not so easy. Much easier with the grid system. Faces and stuff are great for grid systems where they have to be extremely accurate. Fine-tuning some of the lines here. Erasing some of the stuff that I don't need. Now drawing in some birds. And like I said, you could be as accurate or basic as you want. It just depends on what you're looking for. When your drawing is done, make sure you erase the grid lines the best you can, and then go ahead and seal it with a fixative. After you're done with the fixative, let it dry, and then you're ready for paint, which leads us to our next video. Click here if you want to see how I painted this.